we from Jindal Business School are going to present our interim project of digital transformation.
So for the project, we have selected Takeda Hotel, a popular North Indian restaurant in our campus. The location for the restaurant is Old FC.
Takeda Hotel is famous for its dishes such as butter chicken, naan, kebab and dal makhani. It is famous among students for its authentic flavor as well as the homely feel it provides to them.
While they have adopted the UPI payments and delivery orders through the smart queue or direct calls, so there is still chance to go further digital. Thank you.
Project will understand how Takeda Hotel can increase its efficiency and growth through digitalization.
Kakeda Hotel has been serving students for years using simple and effective methods. Orders are taken manually and most transactions happen through UPI.
They receive orders through Smart Queue and even by direct calls. It's a system that works, but not everything is fully digitalized yet.
Things like inventory tracking, sales analysis and marketing still depend on manual effort and word of mouth.
And as demand grows, managing these manually can become challenging.
That's why we wanted to explore how they can be used technology to make their operations smarter and more organized.
So the main key challenges I noticed in Takeda Hotel was that for inventory management, they don't have a system, they do it manually, and whatever daily sales data is present, they do not have it written somewhere or stored somewhere, so they don't have that data as well.
Also, they don't have a system to track the when sales happen the most or what's the peak are most of their sales.
They also aren't sure about their raw materials and the suppliers as well.
And what we have also observed that their social media visibility is pretty less. We have heard Takeda Hotel from our friends or colleagues only. So I think they should work on that too.
Basically, these were the main issues that they were facing, which made them hard to decide what to do, what not to do in decision making and expansion also.
And Ashmit, we know digital transformation isn't just about digitalization of the country, but about efficiency, transparency.
And guys, what I think that for a food chain like Takeda Hotel, it means faster services, good quality food, and efficiency and experience.
Adding on to this point, digital transformation can also help us better understand customer needs and resource management can also be done more efficiently.
It's a way to combine the tradition with the modern efficiency.
Oh, so that's the only plan that we are right now discussing about digital transformation.
So according to me, for digitalization of Takeda Hotel, I believe they should introduce POS. These POSs, I believe, would help them in inventory management and also in their daily sales as well.
Guys, what I think that they can also introduce a inventory tool management system. Basically a spreadsheet or an app that can track their ingredients and inventory and alert them when the stocks are low.
Use data analytics from SmartQ and POS to analyze peak hours, revenue patterns or high sales.
And we can also increase their digital presence by creating an Instagram page or a Google business profile where we can give constant updates on menus, updated items as well as get customer feedbacks.
That reminds me of one more point. They can also add digital customer feedback forms so that they can increase loyalty points by which they can get more discounts and the Takeda Hotel can have more repeated customers to build loyalty.
This will help in the operations run more faster and more efficient.
I also think that it will reduce the timing and the staff errors for the output.
With the data and analytics, they can plan inventory and menu better.
And building a strong social media presence will help us get more customers and also build the brand online.
Overall, they will see a better customer satisfaction and a steady business growth as well.
Of course, digital change are toughest first, like staff training and external costs are the biggest hurdle in this.
Yeah, I also believe that by starting small and starting gradually, by introducing POS, they can grow gradually.
The owner and staff are already using SmartQ and UPI, so I think they are familiar with the technology.
I believe that with a little bit of help and guidance, it will also make it easier for them to adapt to it.
Also, let me add one more point here. Strong leadership and consistent monitoring will also help them in better growth and strategize the overall strategies.
So to conclude, Kakeda Hotel has already begun its digital journey by using UPI payments and SmartQ.
Our plan takes it further by taking everything together, that is marketing, analytics and operation in one digital framework.
It's about make their work simpler and their service even better.
Technology isn't about just changing the revolution, it's about enhancing the traditions. That's our aim.
So at the end, thank you guys for watching our digital transformation project on Kakeda Hotel. And for the last, we are going to conclude
By
one,
saying
two,
3, 2, 1, great food, great made smarter. That's Kakeda Hotel.